Alright, today I'm going to talk about what I like about zoom lenses over prime lenses. Prime lens I have mounted on my Sony A7R Mark III, and but sometimes or a lot of times I usually have this heavier zoom lens, right? And has the hood that goes along with it right here, big hood. As you can see, it's a lot larger than my prime lens, okay? People generally like prime lenses because they know where they're going to shoot and that they are almost all the time smaller. And some people say you get a better picture of it, which I kind of agree. My opinion, okay, this is my opinion for all you people out there who are really listening to the details. My opinion with the prime lenses, if you were to have the same type of lens, like made by the same company or something, my experience is that the prime lens takes a better, sharper picture at that particular millimeter than the zoom lens. Okay, I know a lot of people of you out there are going to debate that, but that's just my opinion. Well, anyway, the zoom lens. What I like about the zoom lens, okay, this one right here is a G lens by Sony, all right? This right here, it gives me a lot of options, okay? When I put this on, I can go into a lot of multiple situations. Whereas with this prime lens, I have a 35 millimeter Carl Zeiss lens right here. It gives me just 35 millimeters. So if I want to change up my shot at all, I usually have to walk up or back away to get the shot that I want. Whereas with this lens, I can simply zoom in where it extends out, and or I can zoom out. Okay, if I want to get a 35 millimeter type of shot, I have to go to 35 millimeters where I have that option. But as you can see, this is a 35 millimeter lens, and right now I am zoomed into 35 millimeters. Look at the difference. Look how big it is. Okay, I have a hood on, but still, even if you subtract the hood, look how big the lens is compared to the 35 millimeter lens. Okay, it is, I can tell you right now, you can't tell from the video, but this is a lot heavier than this 35 millimeter lens. Okay, so I have that option with this lens, but at the same time, I can shoot that 35 millimeter shot, but if I want something wider, I can go all the way down to 24 millimeters, just like that, you know what I'm saying, without swapping out lenses on my camera. All right, and if I want to go a little bit large, zoom in like a 50 or 55 millimeters, okay, I can do that too without having to change lenses. Or I can go all the way in. This lens goes all the way out to 105 millimeters, okay? So I have that option. Another thing that I like about this zoom lens,